Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the rivets retaining the factory ABS crossmember and remove your crossmember. Step 3. Hold your replacement ABS crossmember up to the underside of your frame rail using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Then, screw in the included hardware. After screwing in your hardware, tighten them with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent and reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!